Hi folks, welcome to Just Cook DC. Copper. Traveling through Kenya, you get a lot of little small eateries on the highway. Drive 4 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, stop over, have some lunch, breakfast, whatever. I'm gonna have a Kenyan favorite, Mbuzi wet fry, which is just it's a sautéed cook with aromatics, onions, tomatoes, and cilantro. That's it. I'm gonna have that with a side of veggies of managu, which is a local herb. It's a local veggie. We grew up eating that. I'll find the English language for that. Put it on there. And chapati, chapati, which is just a flat bread. It's a flat bread compared to naan, but no, different. Chapati. That's ours. We claim it. It's Kenyan. So join me on this one. Just quick to see. Thank you. All right, here's my meal, served family style. Let's take a look. All right, that's the managu. Looks beautiful, nice, vibrant green. That's my chapati, which is my flat bread, and this is my mbuzi wet fry. Comes family style. Take a look at that. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful Kenyan God wet fry. Yes. So, family style. Have the serving spoon. Get some Mbuzi on a plate. Smells so good. The aromatics, it's just amazing. All right. Managu has some fresh smell to it. A la food that smells fresh. The first line of attack before sight and taste. Smell. Smells good. I'll eat it. And my chapati. Boom. Let's dig in. So, fold it up a little bit of managu in there, a little bit of coffee. I am in heaven, currently. This is heaven. Mbuzi wet fry, managu, chapati. Just cook. Let me eat. A little bit of veggies, a little bit of meat. Boom. We eat with the hands. Stick that in your mouth.